Okay. I got back and I was sleeping tired. I went to work. So this is in the evening. I want to unbox the ring light I bought. Thank God power is restored. So it came with this bag. So this is it. This is the ring light. This is it. This. So let's. This is how it came with it. Wow, Jesus! This is one. This is one. So let's turn on this one. This one is so bright. Good. My photochronic lens cannot even take it. So this is it. So this is where I'm supposed to keep my phone. Let me get my phone. So click here. Before I click my phone, before this phone falls down, let me show you the effect it has on this phone. So this is the stand. God just sent an angel to come and save me. If not, everybody. In fact, let me unbox this my former phone. I bought a phone last year, August or September, or I don't know. I bought a phone last year. Let me unbox it. In fact, I will unbox that phone. Hey, this one is not too. I need to open this inside because this one did this. You cannot go spoil something. I beg you, let my father help me. For this thing, help me. Why is he helping me? So, everyone, I got this phone, Infinite Smart 6, last year, yeah, August or September, May. So this is the phone I'm using today. I wanted to use it to do this unboxing, but the phone was just giving sound. She removed it. So this is the phone I'm unboxing. It's quite new. So this is the pack. It came with everything. Oh, thank you. This is my receipt of the phone. Then it came with this. This is the funny thing. It came with this. Don't know what it's called. $1 palaba something. Then I think this is the warranty. But the phone is not giving what I wanted. It's a good phone. It helped me. This is not the earpiece. This was my old earpiece. It's not giving what I wanted it for. So I'm believing God my iPhone will come in Jesus' name. Amen. Let me unbox this one. Ta-da! Miracle has taken place, but I need to learn how. You open here, Abby?
Yes.
Okay, let me just press it down. Then I'll press. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. Maybe I didn't lose it well. So if it's like this and it's locked. So which means I need to open it for a long time. Okay, so everybody, let's learn together. It's a new thing. Today is my first day. Today is my first time. So let's do it together. You open very well. Open very well. Don't be in a hurry like me to unbox. Open very well. Then we'll start. Down like this. Okay, before I start, you spread it before you dry. Okay, then you lock it. Okay. Whatever length you want. This one is connected to the circuit, the battery. Then my bent is like this because this thing will not stay on the channel. So okay, when you take it in like this. You take it out very well so you can you lock it in. So this one is not straight. If you want it straight, let me reduce this. If I know, so I want to bend it, you bend it like this. So okay, when I'm doing my abacus finger, it's not straight. Okay. So when I'm doing my abacus finger mask, I'm going to do like this. You can adjust it. When you adjust it, you look like this. So this is basically the effect. This is another effect. One, two, three. Let's do this one. One, two, three, four. My eyes can take it. So this is it. So let's me put the battery. One of the batteries is charging. If you want to use the front camera, if you want to use the back camera, you do it. Then maybe I'll remove the voice over because of the noise. So this is not for your phone. So this is basically me and unboxing this one. What's next is the batteries. So the batteries came with so these are the batteries. One, so then this is the charger. I'm actually charging it, but I'll just bring it to show you. So this is, I brought two batteries and one charger. Let me unbox this battery. So this is the battery. This is the battery. So they actually told me to charge it very well. So this is the second battery I was charging it. So clipping it, charging it, it has a funny. So this is the charger. You have to buy your charger different than your battery. So charging it like this. Plug this one and to charge. So now I want to show the effect of the batteries. So I will turn it off. Then so I'm going to turn this off. So clicking your batteries. To go and learn careful 101 in this my YouTube channel. I'll go and watch something. Second batteries. So let me just show you. Push my eyes. Cannot even take the light. So this is with the battery. So it's turned off. So this is basically what I got today. So this is it. Come to the end also with your battery. There is no light. You can use your battery, or you can use your, if there's power, you can connect it to socket. So this is basically what I got today. If you have any question, you can ask. Bye bye. So let me take a thumbnail. Let me take a thumbnail with this thing. Everybody. So come to the end of this video. Bye. Bye. Bye bye. Child of batteries is one. I could not remove the battery that day. I tried. I couldn't remove the battery. So when I took it back, the seller was really kind. I called him and said I should bring it. I bought it on Saturday, so I took it on. I called him to inform him on Sunday evening. So I took it on Monday. He showed me just this little place I should press it hard and remove it. So that was just it. Apart from that, there is nothing else wrong with the battery or with the ring light or the tripod. Everything is in check. Thank you.